Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Wix versus WordPress in 2025 and see which platform really gives you the most control. Let's dive in. Wix gives you control over design with its drag and drop editor. You can customize layouts, add apps from its marketplace, and manage everything in one dashboard. But that control has limits. Wix locks you into system, so you can move your site easily or dig deep into code unless you its developer tools. WordPress, on the other hand, gives you near total control. You can choose your hosting, install thousands of themes and plugins, and even edit the code directly. This makes it ideal if you want full ownership and flexibility, but it does require more technical knowledge to manage. So if you want a user-friendly builder with creative control but less complexity, which is the better pick? But if you want complete freedom and ownership of your site, WordPress is the clear winner. Thanks for watching this comparison, and I'll see you in the next one.